With the rapid development of unmanned aerial drone technology, the demand for low-altitude security is growing exponentially. LZ Tech adheres to the mission of make the sky safer, launch comprehensive, low-altitude security solutions. Handheld drone detection and positioning system. It's a high-precision integrated drone detection and positioning device. Remarkable integrated design, intelligently controlling all range drone activities, detection and early warning. When a drone is detected, the system automatically issues an alarm. Full band detection, real-time dynamic data display of drones' electronic fingerprinting, model types, position and quantity, and critical flight parameters. Synchronously track the position trajectories of drones and pilots with real-time dual-target positioning data supporting efficient defense. Add verified drones to the whitelist while maintaining real-time tracking and alarms for other unauthorized drones. Wireless intercom. Secure communication system, ensuring multi-terminal data synchronization. Enhanced defense efficiency and team operational response speed. Location navigation. One-click navigation to the pilot's position and planning of the pilot's capture route. Handheld drone detection and positioning system. Lightweight airframe for individual operator mobility, multi-dimensional defense to safeguard the security of low-altitude airspace. Eliminate all unauthorized drone incursions.